Guys, this is the best day of my life. Look what I found at Woolies. So it's Little Moon's cheesecakes. This one is strawberry and mascarpone, and then caramelized biscuit and white chocolate. This is definitely more up my alley, but I thought I'd try both. I love cheesecake. It's mouthfuls of cheesecake wrapped in soft sweet mochi. And they're frozen. Must eat with my hair back. Start with strawberry. There's only 4 in a pack and it was $10. That is so cute. Oh my god. They look like that. Okay. That strawberry jam is all you taste. I'm not getting much cheesecake. I'm kind of just getting strawberry jam. And this is caramelized biscuit and white chocolate. It smells like a Golden Gay time. FYI. These ones are a lot more solid. This is pretty fucking good. Once again, whatever the center bit is, I wish it was smaller because it's very overpowering. But these are yummy. I still think these are in the lead.